Hello everyone, this is Indra, Senior Technical Specialist of Microsoft Security. And today for the next 10 minutes, I will talk about Microsoft Security Copilot, how Microsoft first generative AI security product can help your organization, especially for your SOC team, to protect yourself against today's modern threats at the speed and scale of AI. Let's get into it. As we know today, we have a lot of security threats happening everywhere globally. And to put focus more on Indonesia, starting from the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, in media we can see a lot of ransomwares, data breaches incidents happening across the industries, whether it is government, telco, e-commerce, etc. We are now facing against modern threats where the entry point is normally coming from phishing through email, WhatsApp, and the others. As long as the technology getting modernized, attackers able to equip themselves with the new tools to modernize their attack as well. As a result, number of password attacks has been tripled in the last 12 months. Median time to get access is getting shorter than ever. And we still have the same issue where there is a cybersecurity experts shortage that make it more difficult for us to make sure that our organization is safe and prepared against multiple modern threats that we are facing right now. Challenges comes not only in technology, but also in terms of people and processes. On the technology side, we adopt multiple security tools from different vendors that become more difficult to manage. We need to access different portals and functionality is limited to integration. On the human side, processes are disconnected. Skilled cybersecurity talent is difficult to recruit, train, and retain. These challenges are there for quite some time now, where we should move on with a new and a better approach. Microsoft is in a unique position to transform security for our customers, not only because of our investment in AI, but also because we offer end-to-end security, identity, compliance, and more across our portfolio. That's the benefit of working with Microsoft to work on a solution to make sure that you and your team can defend against modern threats at machine speed and scale. Copilot is a new product family we announced almost a year ago, where we keep innovating for a new solution to bring to market, starting with GitHub Copilot, Microsoft 365 Copilot, Dynamics 365 Copilot, Copilot in Power Platform. And now, in April 1st, 2024, we have Microsoft Copilot for Security available in GA, a solution that is prepared to help your security team fight against modern threats with the power of AI. Similar with other Copilot solution in Microsoft, it is not going to replace your resources with technology, but it is a Copilot. It will further help your team to detect, investigate, and to respond faster. Some benefits of working with AI in security is about efficiency, to optimize detection time and to respond faster with the help of automation and scale whenever we need. Copilot for Security is taking multiple signals from different security technology that we have, whether it is Microsoft Security First Party or partner, with the help of plugin. It is not limited to Azure signals, but also capable to protect hybrid and multi-cloud environment with integration. We have 10 petabytes of data as a starting point, available in our LLM through Microsoft Sentinel, that can be a knowledge base to equip the team to provide recommendation of action and insight for incident. If we compare ourselves with attackers in the implementation of AI, we see a lot of advancement in the activity they can do leveraging generative AI. In malware generation, for example, they can train generative AI models to create new and undetectable malware variants by automatically modifying existing malware code or generating entirely new code. This can make it more challenging for security software to detect and block these threats. Automated vulnerable discovery. They can use generative AI to develop algorithms that can automatically identify potential vulnerabilities in software, websites, or networks by analyzing the target's code, configuration, or behavior. This can help attackers find exploitable weakness more efficiently. In customizing exploits, they can train generative AI models to adapt and customize known exploits based on the specific characteristic on the target system or security measures in the place. This can increase the chances of successful attack by bypassing defenses and exploiting vulnerabilities more effectively. Password cracking, they can utilize generative AI to create more intelligent password guessing algorithm that can predict and generate likely password based on known information about the target, such as personal details, interests, or previously used passwords. This can make it easier for attackers to gain unauthorized access to systems and accounts. In phishing and social engineering, we can leverage generative AI to craft highly convincing phishing emails, messages, or social media posts that closely mimic the communication style of a targeted individual or organization. This can make it easier for attackers to deceive victims into revealing sensitive information or clicking to malicious links that lead on malware infection. Disguising malicious code, use generative AI to create obfuscated or polymorphic code that can evade detection by security tools. This can make it more difficult for organizations to defend against and identify attacks, allowing the malware and hacking attempt to go unnoticed. And finally, in command and control communication, they can implement generative AI models to create dynamic and adaptive communication channels between attackers, command and control servers, and the compromised systems. This can make it harder for security researchers to detect, analyze, and disrupt communication between attacker and infected devices. At GA, our focus is to cover 4 primary use cases in Copilot for Security, which is incident summarization, impact analysis, reverse engineering of scripts, and guided response for incident investigation. For incident summarization, you can now gain context for incidents and improve communication across your organization by leveraging generative AI to explain complex security alerts into concise, actionable summaries, which then enables quicker response times and streamlined decision making. With impact analysis, you can use AI-driven analytics to assess the potential impact of security incident, offering insight into affected system and data to prioritize response efforts effectively. Copilot can also reverse engineer potential malicious scripts, analyze complex command line scripts, and translate them into natural language with clear explanation of action. Efficiently extract and link indicators found in the script to their respective entities in your environment. And with guided response, you receive actionable step-by-step guidance for incident response, including direction for triage, investigation, containment, and remediation. Recommended action ultimately equate to quicker response time. Beyond this 4, we continue to invest in lots of more use cases across security and IT, including device management, identity management, cloud security reporting, and more. One of the game-changing aspects of this technology is that you can interact with it using natural language queries, the same way you interact with your coworkers. This is very simplified look of what happens behind the scene. So after the user submits a prompt in the Copilot for Security Planner, it uses a security-specific AI orchestration to determine the context and build a plan using the available skills that come with Copilot for Security. It then executes the plan and gathers all the necessary content and data. Next, it combines the data and context, formats the data, works out the response, and then delivers the response. This can happen in just a second. Your data is again your data. It will not share to Microsoft for training the model. It remains in your service boundaries. Access to data is limited to conditional access, where if you don't have access to it, you don't get the information. It is unique for everyone, where the prompt might be the same, but response might be different. Security for Copilot is available in 2 forms. We call it standalone experience and embedded experience. What we see now is the interface of standalone experience. As what I previously mentioned, it is using a natural language processing, where you can talk in normal language like you are talking with coworkers. And prompting is not a chat. The better and complete instruction you give to your prompt, the better also the result. It is equipped with default prompt book, and you can also create your customized prompt book suitable for your daily operational needs. The other experience is embedded experience. It is embedded to every Microsoft Security first-party solution. It will be helpful for security analysts that are already familiar with a specific interface for a solution to get a Copilot experience in the portal page that is more specific to handle the capabilities of that solution. For example, in Unified SOC platform in Defender, we can get help for investigation, creating custom query for threat hunting with a natural language processing, and also get recommendation to improve what we previously said. In Intune, we can compare two different devices to troubleshoot whenever there is a specific policy that is not working in specific devices. In Entra, we can analyze for user activity, user sign-in activity. In Purview, we can get help in compliance and etc. We will keep updating the capabilities that we have now in Copilot for Security with integration to non-Microsoft security solutions to further enhance our capability, especially in standalone experience. We have been working with multiple security vendors and managed security service partners to prepare for plugin integration, where currently Splunk and ServiceNow are now available for integration. That's about it. Hopefully you are now having a better idea to understand Microsoft Security for Copilot, the capabilities, how it works, and also the benefits. To learn more, you can access our product page in Microsoft.com or send me a message to discuss further. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.